Hello everybody, welcome back to Butchie Love, and today I've got another video for you guys. So in this video, I'm just going to show you some new toys and old toys that are going into the new cage that I've ordered for the Taming series. So these are all the toys that are going in the new cage. There is a toy coming with the cage, which is better than all of these, maybe, hopefully. And I might take out some more from the bigger cage over there and buy some new ones for that cage, because that cage is getting empty because I'm taking out like tons of toys from there. So there's new toys that I've made, and some old toys that I've took out from the bigger cage, and some new toys that I've bought. So I'm going to show them one by one, and then I'm going to show you how I made these. I'm not going to show you, but I'm going to tell you, because the reason I didn't make, I'll tell you why. So here you go. I'm going to just show you all the toys. So first up, I'll just do the old toy first, because you know them all. So this is the old toy from the cage. I still need to clean them, but here you can see it's another like really good toy. I'm going to hang it from this keyring over here. And what budgies do is just spin these around, and these got bells in it, so there's 5 of these, and they could just roll it around and have fun with it. So that's one of the toys. One of the other ones is this big ball one. It has 4 balls in it, and every ball has a bell in it, so they could just do that or like pull it if they want to. And there's a little string here so they could chew here, and obviously the keyring so you could hang it. So this is another toy that I'm going to put in the cage. Another toy, this was at the top and no one played with it because it was not that reachable, but what it is, it's just a mirror. It has 4 sides, and you still need to clean it, but it has mirrors on 4 sides, and it's really cool. It's like a little house with like, because you can see this like thing here, and it has like mirrors and all that, and it has a little bell here, and that could just kind of ring. I still need to add a safety pin here so I could actually hang it in. So that's another toy. Another toy is this toy over here. This isn't a really toy, but I still need to clean this also. This is a mirror. It's really good. This was like one of my first toys I got for the smaller cage. Like you've not seen it, but because I don't have it anymore. But this was like one of the first toys I've had. So it's really old, but it's really good. It's a mirror. It's a round mirror, and it has a little bell here also. So this is another good toy that you should have, like these kind of toys in your budgie cage or any crocodile or parakeet cage, because budgies, especially budgies, love mirrors. They like to see in it, and then they think that there's another budgie in front of it. Especially if you only have one budgie, then if you have a mirror, then it makes him feel like a bit more like friendly, and like a bit friendly, because then it makes him feel like there's another like budgie there, and then he doesn't feel that lonely. So here you can see I've got 4 toys so far. Let's go on to the toys that I made. So these are all the new ones. So this is another tutorial toy. I've not made a tutorial for it, sorry guys, but it was really simple. I'm gonna tell you how I made this. So you need lots of feathers for it. There's no max or minimum, but first of all, what you need to do is get your pin and needle, and first of all you need to get a big bunch of feathers, and then just tie them around with a string. You can see I've got tied here, and just tie them around with the string, and then with the pin and needle that you've got, put the needle through these like holes. You can see that I've made holes here, and it's gone through these. So just make like some put some feathers through these, so it's not just that bunch, and then they could pull it up and it goes down and all that. So this is a really good toy. I've got this in the bigger cage too, but it's not as good because I used all the good feathers for this one. I'm just trying to make the new cage as nice as I can, so because there's only going to be 2 budgies in there, and I don't want them to feel a bit lonely and everything, because you're going to leave 8 of their friends, or not friends because they don't like each other that much, but like they're budgies away for like about a month or something. to get tamed because they've been really naughty. So I want to just make it feel really good for them, so they feel nice and not that like lonely in there. So this toy is another one. It's a string toy with some buttons in it. So what it is basically, I just got some strings, and you need to get a thin string so you can actually put the buttons through it. You just need to get a thin string and put a knot here, and then just put some buttons through the knot string, and then just tie it up here. I got like 8 of these or something, and then cut them in, and I put loads of different types of beads and all that. I put 3 in some, 2 in one, and 3 in some. And then I just put some extra string so they could chew, and then I got a string so I could hang it here. So that's another toy that I made. So hopefully you find it good. This isn't a toy, but it's a cuttlefish bone. It's really big. It was really cheap. It was only for £1, and it's really good. This isn't a toy, but it is going into the new cage, so they could at least have some calcium in that cage. Really good. This is a new thing that I've bought, so this is one of the things I've bought. Other things that I've bought is this toy. I think it was really cool. I have one of this in the other cage. I don't think it has a bell though, and it's not the same colours, but this is really cool. It's like some rings hang down, and they've got the bell underneath here. And the good thing about it, I've seen my cousins' budgies do it. Their budgies, and I've seen my budgies do it too. My budgies and their budgies can go through the hoops, and they could do a loop, somersault in the loop. It's not like that like believable, but it actually happens. The budgies can go through here, and they could have lots of fun. Not that just it has a bell, but they could actually go through and have lots of fun. So that's it. There will be more toys in the new cage, but these are the toys that I have so far, and some honey bars are going into the cage. But hopefully, like this video, it gives you a bit of a sneak peek of what the cage is going to be like and what it's going to have in the cage. But hopefully, like this video, it wasn't like that useful video that you need to know. But I'm just going to give you like an update or a sneak peek of the taming series and what the cage is going to have in the cage. So hopefully, like this video, like, comment, and hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.